Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can invite someone to your friend list on Roblox in 2026 on PC or laptop. So let us guide you through this. So guys, launch Roblox on your desktop computer or laptop, log into your account. And what you want to do next is navigate to more here on the left hand side, then navigate to friends. And if you just have created your account, you won't have anyone on your friends list. So to add someone to your friends list, click into this button. And there are two ways how you can do this. You can either create a QR code and send it to your friend so that they may, for example, use that to join your friend list. Or you may search for someone here at the top. Like, I don't know, I will go with this example, and then click into this button here to add the given user to your friends list and wait for the invitation to be accepted or to be declined. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.